Bitcoin for All. Hello and welcome to Bitcoin for All, a free and open source course created by Area Bitcoin. If you're here, it's because you heard about Bitcoin and want to know more about how it works. And guess what? You're in the right place. Our goal with Bitcoin for All is to help you understand Bitcoin and inspire you to be a multiplier of this knowledge. We want anyone, regardless of their level of knowledge or training, to be able to learn about this money and revolutionary technology in a simple, direct, and practical way. You will realize that Bitcoin is much more than numbers on a screen. It's about freedom, sovereignty, and the chance to participate in a fairer, decentralized, and resilient financial system. And the best part? All course material is available for you and any educator in the world to use as you wish, because we believe that sharing knowledge is as important as learning. As Bitcoin for All is open source, it goes beyond a simple course. It's a tool that you can use to teach other people, organize meetings like meetups, and create your own videos or even customize materials for your reality. Under the Creative Commons by SA 4.0 license, you have the freedom to adapt everything, as long as credit is given to Bitcoin for All from Area Bitcoin and with the condition that it's used for educational purposes, never commercial, okay? We believe that knowledge about Bitcoin needs to be universal and accessible to everyone, because it's a powerful tool to change lives. So it doesn't matter if you're just starting out or already understand a little about the subject. Bitcoin for All is designed to make you feel part of this revolution. But how will Bitcoin for All work? We have created a course with 10 lessons to guide you through the main concepts and answer the main questions about Bitcoin. Here are the classes you will find. What is Bitcoin and why it was created? What's the problem with the current money? Why is Bitcoin better money? Inside Bitcoin, how does it work? Why should Bitcoin continue to appreciate? Ways to have Bitcoin like exchange, peer-to-peer, or circular economies? Countering lies, FUDs about Bitcoin? Why do self-custody and not leave your Bitcoin on exchange or banks? What are Bitcoin wallets and how to use them? How to withdraw from the exchange and have financial sovereignty with Bitcoin. All files, videos, slides, and other materials are available on areabitcoin.co website and also on Area Bitcoin's GitHub. You can access everything in a practical and free way, whether to learn, share, or teach. And now that you know what Bitcoin for All is, what can you do? Learn. Watch the course at your own pace and discover how Bitcoin works, why it is important, and how to protect your Satoshis well. Share. Show this material to friends, family, or that curious colleague who always asks you what exactly Bitcoin is. Teach. Use this content to move Bitcoin forward. Who knows, maybe you organize meetups or help train a new generation of Bitcoiners. We are here to help you understand, adopt, and spread this transformative idea. Ready to get started? So let's go.